Oh, Turubeke. God is great. Guess what I am seeing here? This woman sent money to my account. It said support for building. She wrote and said support for building. She now sent 2.8 or 2.5 to my account. I now return it and I also title it. The return of your support of my house. And I returned the money because I could not send the 2 something instantly that day. And I said that 2 times. 1 million, and 800 will refresh somewhere. Hey, yeah. 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 Oh, yo. Yo. She did not tell me. He said she wrote support for building. Owele Queen Rose. Amen. To good luck Adegboye. When I saw it, I called her and I returned it that same minute. And I wrote, the return of your support of my house. I don't say another wonderful thing today, oh God. All this myself I don't remember. But I know I mean I said, don't add cover to my house. I don't need your cost money. I don't even need your support. I have children. I have this. I will marry you. I saw 2.5 million. She wrote because she know her business. Say support for building from Queen Rose. From Wele Queen Rose to good luck Adegboye. And I return it immediately, not even reach how many minutes. And I said, the return of your support of my house. Ifo Owele Queen Rose. Amen. And I return it. It not reach a day, not reach 1 hour. I return immediately and I write the return of your support. This case going tough. The court go see when. Who did that? My cat, I return her to run. If not, let this one I post today, will let a lie. Make I see whether this is no office on myself. I just wait up. Make I see whether will fish one. Make una see May 25th. Now she be this say support for building. That is her name. Come and see the amount. Follow. 2 point waiting. What are you seeing there? Is it 2.5 or something? 2.6, I don't know. They can't see me. May I see whether that same day. See me. That same day, May 25th. And I say from you, the return of your support of my house. Because that I never increase my how much I take. I return 1 million, I they look for where 600 day now. Because now 1 million I they feed they do. I be 2 million I they do. That means I see that on the same day. The same okay, yes, now 1 million I they do that time. I do 1 million today. Immediately she send it. The following day I do 1 million. The day I was able to increase the money I transferred, it was the day I bought ties. I don't know how to do it. So when I want to buy ties about many million, they now help me to increase it in Orile. So I refund 1 million, that is 2 million. Maybe another day will come see 600. Come see 600. See again. See. Return of the support for my house. How much I can return again? This is another 1 million. So I return all the money. So far, so good. You see 3 million here. I don't know what make it 3 million. I always write. Which date is this? 27th. On the 27th May, I return. Let's go to 26. Hey. Now they see drama. Who be that man when fit tap account for chest. I not send down up support. If they look for where you want engage herself in my building, before I can use and swear, go say if you go ever say me you send me money, say na support. Now see, I hope you see, and if you see, I know now let me know. The way I zoom out, did you see it? Now see that thing, when he send me money without my consent, I return it. That time I was able to transfer 1 million. I return. Do I know where the money was coming from? It's not your money. I still return it. That is the money I sweat for. That is human rights money. I return it. It's not your money. Still, I return it. You send me human rights money from your account. Call it support. Still, I not drag. Say make I say nah, not be your money. My people, this short video you are about to watch is the setup of Rose Ahmed, who without my consent sent me 2.something million, and immediately I returned the money and also titled it the return of your support for my house. Thereafter I made her to swear an oath never to support me knowingly and unknowingly to me, because the house doesn't belong to her or neither her future children. That I have children and I want to marry as many wives as I can, so I don't need her money. If she have her money, let her go and build her house. That was my advice given to her. So luckily for me today, I just saw it while looking for something else. Just take a look. You will see support for building, her name. And you see the amount she supported with. I think 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Then I now immediately, when I received it, I now called her and I warned her that I don't need her support. This is my line of returning. That same date, 25th. And I titled it, your support of my house, Owele Queen Rose. I say, look away that I the return of your support of my, even return another 1 million. Queen Rose, amen. I return my 500,000 to me. So I return your money immediately that very day. You send on the 25th of May. Look at it. 25th of May. You say for building, support for building, Queen Rose, Owele Queen Rose, 2.5. And I return on that same minute. I return 1 million because I have not increased my limit to above 1 million. The second day 1 million. Then the other day, which is the third day, I return 1 million instead of 500. I'm just knowing this. Instead of 2.5, I returned 3 million. You didn't even bother to tell your husband that your husband made mistake. You took my 500,000. You will return that money from court. So I want to make this video very short so that it will be easy to share. I'm still checking.